Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? In our previous few videos, we have been discussing the YT Studio analytics and how we can customize our reports, video performance monitoring report. So as you can see that as soon as when you click on start, it will start loading all your data into the video table. And video table is actually the gathering of all the data from the downloaded files into one sheet, right? So in which you have uh, all these parameters which you may want to make the reports about. Like you may want to focus on the views. Sometimes you may want to focus on the watch time, and or the subscriber, or estimated revenue, or impressions, or CTR rate, right? So this sheet is populated by clicking of this button. As soon as you click on this button, it will load all your files uh, which you have downloaded from your YouTube channel dashboard analytics report, and you have the naming convention of those file is that .xls, right? So we have omitted the .xlsx file, part of the file. So this is the day actually, right? 4th of February. So is continued like this. All are the activities, the videos which are coming in the download of 4th of February, and that was means this was the previous report was the 3rd of February, like this, right? So plenty of videos are reported on every day's download file, right? And these are placed in where in the folder uh, uh, mm, which is a subfolder of the monthly files, right? And that contains all the files, right? And with a proper file naming convention. So once these are populated, when all the data is ready, all you need to do is go to the video report, right? So this tells you that the filter is on, is not on. Okay, you may want to put a filter. So it has so refreshing, you may have not make any changes. So we have not made any changes in here. So we will say no need to refresh it. So this is a flexible report, and here you have the option. This is your start of date column, right? In which as soon as you make any change in this date, for example, you want to compare the 2 days, for example, 28 and 29, right? So it will ask you the ending date. You have given the 28 as a starting date, asking for the ending date. So let's say 29 or 30. So it will come up with the 3 columns for you, and with all these in figures looked up. These are it has looked up, it has applied the lookup on it, and it has totaled. So these are the totals. So why are these figures coming? Because of this VLOOKUP formula, right? This is the VLOOKUP formula, which states, which has 3 things. One, what to look up. This is to look up, right? Means uh, the G4 and D5. D5 is then the video file name, and G4 is the date, right? So so these are being looked up. Where to look up is this part of it, right? And then it found which column offset you want. So this is flexible. We have made it flexible. We could have written here 8, because it is 8th column from A to H, and it is 8th column, right? But we have not written hard coded it 8. We have left it as whatever is coming on the A2. So this gives you the flexibility that if you want to focus on the views, then the views will be shown. And if you want to focus on watch time, the watch time will be shown, right? The watch time will be shown to you here, right? And so you have to open it before applying the format, right? You have to choose what you intend to watch. You want to see the impressions. Okay, the impressions will come, right? And so first you have to figure out that which what is your requirement. Your requirement is to base your report on the basis of an impression. Okay, then you come in here and you change it from, say, 30, right? Right. So from 30 to which one? So for example, you want to 2 days for comparison, 30 versus 31. Okay, so it will remove out and the extra things, and it will get the impressions for these 2 days, for against which videos, how many impressions were given to you, and this is the analysis of your impressions in analysis, right? So, so by making the VLOOKUP flexible, but in terms of what, in terms of the column offset, right? So, so column offset will become 12 if you have the impressions, yeah? And if you could change it and with anything else, so you don't have to change the formula in here, and the same formula will work for all your required type of the report you want, right? If you want the report type to be the views, then what you will do, you will go to, first of all, change it to views, and then apply your date. Means say you want first 5 days of January. Okay, so you can say 5 of so first 5 days of January in terms of views were 88 views, 24 on 1st of January, and 15 on the 2nd, 20 on the 3rd, and which video came made all these to say, for example, 20. So which were those videos which made these all 20? So what you can do is that apply, just remove these blanks and zeros in here, and you will see these were the videos which are these are the 20 views on the this date, that is 3rd of January, and these were the videos which were used, right? So this is the utility. This how you make use of the VLOOKUP, and the VLOOKUP formula will go away. It means as soon as it applies the formula, it goes away. It remains only in the first column on which you make the changes, right? So this will continue. Means even if you copy these right words, the figures will remain and the formula will come, but then there will be no change in the file. But the first column, that is G, will be constant with the word. So this is for the saving of the file size. It reduces the file size unnecessary. The file size is not increased unnecessarily. All you need to have the formula to be on the first column, and for all the remaining columns, the formula goes away as soon as it serves its purpose, right? When the purpose of formula is finished, so the formula goes away from here. So let's try it again. For example, you want a different set of say, for example, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Undo. We do. Okay. Let's take a different set of mm, views. For example, uh, we want to see that we want to compare the views for 17th of January until say 18th of January, right? 18th of January, what would happen? So it will apply these will remove all the unnecessary things in it, and you will have the figures displayed side by side, and you can compare that what is the breakup of these 19 views. 19 views was this. What was the breakup of 26 views? Let's see the 26 views breakup. Then you can go to the filter, remove these blanks in here, and you will find, so these are the friends. So it's a very interesting that on 26th so many videos were one-timely, mostly one-timely viewed, right? So this is interesting, right? So so this will help you compare and monitor your performance on daily basis using the VLOOKUP formula with a dynamic column offset. So you have made it a dynamic because you don't have to rewrite the formula for a different view, right? When the user changes the view, the same formula will work, and it will uh, show you your desired report instantly. So it is going to save your time as well. For example, you want to get the impressions. Yeah, these are the impression. Instantly it comes in. And if you want to apply these dates, so you click inside here and apply the date for impressions for. You want impressions for which date? For example, you want from 20 to 25, right? 20 to 25. So these are the impressions. Video wise means your video wise impressions for your desired period are shown using the same formula, which with a flexible column offset. You don't have to make changes in the formula on if you use a different view or different type of report. Okay, so for all these types of reports, the same formula is going to bring you your desired analysis and desired figures in front of you so that you can compare. So VLOOKUP is very efficient tool, and it allows you uh, uh, to look up all these things. And if you make the column offset dynamic, so it will streamline your data analysis and save you a lot of time on repetitive tasks, right? So it's a time saver, and it's a great thing to automate the workflows, and also we have shown you the real time, the real world VLOOKUP use case, right? And why to automate VLOOKUP and offset? So the the limitations of the standard VLOOKUP is that the column offsets needs a manual adjustment. Whenever you want some changes, then you have to have some manual adjustments. So if you make it dynamic, so you don't have to make that adjustment anymore. And this is going to save you the errors and the time consuming. A lot of time is consumed to adjust and make the adjustment. So it is going to save you time, especially when we talk about the large data sets, right? And it also allow you to automate the process to to save the time. So automation is the wonderful thing. It makes your applications a professional look, yeah, and you get a sense of professionalism in your products, in the program which you develop, and it improves the accuracy and the user's confidence on your application, and it enhances the efficiency of your efficiency being a developer, and also the efficiency of your the environment in which you're working. I hope you enjoyed it all, and I look forward to your support to my channel. Thank you very much.